Hello, lovely people. My name is Maria, and welcome to another video. For today's video, I thought I would introduce a new series of videos that I want to make where I compile a bunch of footage of my birds that I have, and then I just let you guys enjoy them to the background of music probably. And I just thought it would be a fun way for you guys to see how birds behave, because it's fascinating and it's one of my favorite things to do. Also, it's pretty fun entertainment, although honestly not free, kind of expensive. And I forgot to mention, I thought to call this series Birds Being Birds. But if you guys have any better suggestions of how I should name this series of videos, please let me know in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Enjoy, guys.
Hey. sunflower.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, comment, anything, reach out. I would be more than happy to get in contact with you and talk birds, life, whatever. Just reach out. Don't hesitate. Thank you for watching. Bye.